We're going to find out about two ways of finding fractions of amounts, by sharing and by using our number facts. How many bananas are here? And what am I going to plan to give away? That's right, half of these bananas. How do you write half? And we write half with a 1 above a 2 and a line between the two of them. Read to find what the numbers tell us. The bottom number tells us how many groups to share between. And the top number tells us how many of those groups we're interested in. So let's share these bananas between two. Count how many bananas are in one of these groups. So we've shared all the bananas between two, and we've looked at one group. What's half of 12? Half of 12 is 6. What number fact would help us to find what half the amount of these bananas is? Read our number sentence. Half of 12 equals 6. How do you read what's in that box? It says, how could we find quarter of the bananas? 1 over 4 is a quarter. Here are our two halves, 6 in each. Let's halve those halves. A quarter of 12 is 3. Imagine what that would look like written down. What does this say? 3/4 of 12 equals question mark. What could we do to solve that? The bottom number tells us how many to share the whole amount between. The top number tells us how many of those groups we're interested in. 1/4 of 12 gave us 3 bananas. We're interested in 3/4 of 12, so 3 lots of 3 bananas. That's 1 lot. That's 2 lots. And that's 3 lots. How many are there? There are 9. Read the number sentence. 3/4 of 12 equals 9. What does this one say? 1/3 of 12 equals question mark. The bottom number tells us how many ways to share the bananas. Here are our 12 bananas. Let's share them between 3. One-third of 12 equals 4. 6 more bananas now, not 12, but 18. How do we find 1/3 of 18? Well, the bottom number tells us how many ways to share the bananas, and the top number tells us how many groups we're interested in. So let's share our 18 bananas between 3. How many bananas in one of those groups? 1/3 of 18 equals 6. Well done, that's the end of this PowerPoint. You can watch it again if you think it would be helpful to you.